I think the thing that separates me from other Foley artists is many use a big studio, right? For the sound, they use a crushed walnut for the bones, a coconut for the horsehooves. Me is not, I don't do that style. Maybe it's me, for me is more traditional style. So I use only one tool in the toolbox. My mouse.